Beauty and the Beast, a very Jamaican story. High in the rolling hills of Breadfruit Rise, where the breeze carried market gossip and the scent of ripe fruit, lived a bright, soft-spoken girl named Jewel Lewis. Jewel had a way of seeing people beyond what they showed the world. While others chased shine and status, she chased understanding. She lived with her father, Mr. Cedric Lewis, a modest furniture repairman known for honest work and quiet manners. One late afternoon, Cedric didn't return home. Concern settled heavy like rain clouds, and Jewel knew exactly where to look. The abandoned great house, past the old bend in the road, the place everyone warned about. The house was large, cracked and surrounded by whispers. Them say nobody no did it. Them same strange bad. Them say you no for go close. Anyways, Joel knocked. The door opened slowly. Standing there was the beast. Tall, broad, covered in thick fur, eyes glowing like lantern light. "Why you here?" he growled. Jewel's voice shook, but she stood firm. You have my father. Mokumfim." The beast stared, then sighed. "Then you stay, I him go." The house had personality. A zinc gate complained loudly whenever it moved. A kettle screamed like it was warning the whole district. A rocking chair argued with itself every night. The beast kept to himself, but Jewel noticed things. He never raised his voice at elders passing by. He fixed broken chairs and left them by the doorsteps at night. He acted rough, but moved gentle. One evening, Jewel asked, "Why people fear you so?" The beast exhaled, "Because once I was worse than this." Long ago, the beast was known as Mallory, a man with money, mouth, and missing manners. He mocked people who had little, disrespected elders, walked like the world owed him an applause. One day, an old woman asked him for water. He laughed. She cursed him, not to destroy him, but to expose his heart. Until you learn respect, you will wear your pride on the outside. Jewel didn't try to change him with magic. She cooked, she listened, she corrected him respectfully. "You can't talk to people so. You know say kindness no cost nothing. Everybody deserve dignity." Slowly, the beast changed. One night under the breadfruit tree, Jewel said, "You don't need to impress anyone, just be decent." The wind hushed. A light moved through the house, and where the beast stood Mallory, human again, humbled, changed, quiet. When Jewel returned home with Mallory, the community watched, but Jewel spoke clearly. Beauty isn't shine or status. It's respect, humility, and how you treat people. From that day, the great house became a place of learning and second chances. And Breadfruit Rise learned that true beauty always starts inside. Moral of the story: true beauty is shown through respect, humility, and kindness, not pride or appearance.